Hi peeps, my name is Zina and I'm aging ethically, and today I'm going to be getting ready to work a pumpkin festival. I think some of you may know if you've been watching my channel for a little bit. First of all, thank you for doing that. I really appreciate it. That I'm a bartender by trade. I do YouTube videos for fun in the hopes that perhaps in the future it could turn into something else. But for now, I really do enjoy the artistry and the fun of being a digital creator and uploading videos to YouTube. It actually is really a source of a lot of joy for me, and it relieves a lot of stress as well to be able to express myself creatively and to post it online. It really feels good to do it, and you should try it because it is really exhilarating. It's a lot of fun. I watch a lot of YouTube and I see YouTubers who earn money via YouTube full-time as their job and post every so often or complain about how tired they are or that they're kind of burnt out. They have like creator's block or something like that, and where a part of me like feels for them because I'm a very empathetic person by nature, another part of me is just like, really? Because I'm working full-time and doing this for fun as well. For a while there I was working 2 jobs, but it was just too much for me. I may pick up some freelance bartending jobs throughout season. Season is starting now, which means that in Arizona it's a little cooler and everyone is now returning to their homes in Arizona, so they will be frequenting the establishments more. Thus, season has begun, and I'm excited because with season brings more money, which allows me to buy more makeup, which gives me inspiration to make more videos. Someone has requested that I make a video talking specifically about bartending, how to be a bartender, perhaps maybe the pros and cons of bartending. That is a subject that I am an expert on. I can easily say that. I've been bartending now for about 20 years. So I have a lot to say on the subject. So I think I will make that video in the future. But for now, I'm going to make pumpkin patch perfect makeup, a look that I'm going to wear for a pumpkin festival. It's still a little warm in Arizona, so I like using a very tacky primer like e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. On top of that, I'll use Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Longwear Foundation. It's magnificent. Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer. And then I'm going to set this makeup with Jeffree Star Translucent Powder. Using my very well-loved NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. Yay, this is the Baby Bat Beauty Luna palette. I love this palette so much. I'm putting down the matte pumpkin-y orange shade in the inner and outer corners of my eye. Followed by the shimmery yellowish gold shade that I'm going to put directly onto my eyelids. Next, I'm going to use a little Pixie by Petra Liquid Fairy Lights in Rose Gold. It's very glittery and sparkly. I love it so much. Yeah, so note to self, when using green eyeliner, perhaps a green screen is not a good idea. I creepily superimposed a picture of myself highlighting the NYX Vivid Brights Vivid Envy eyeliner. My favorite liquid lipstick of the season, Jeffree Star Pumpkin Pie. Using the Pure Pro Eyelash Adhesive, we're going to stick some Ardell lashes to the corners of my eyes. Now it's time for Pixie by Petra Lash Booster Mascara. Highlighting with the Jeffree Star Supreme Frost in Diamond Wet. Absolutely stunning. Right about now, I realize that I've forgotten to do my eyebrows. Yay! You know, I'm going to share my successes and my fails with you guys using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. A little more highlight on the brow bones and in the inner corners of my eyes. And finally, we're going to be finishing this with some 24 karat finishing spray by Physicians Formula. And our pumpkin festival bartending look is completed. Sorry that you can't really see the bright green vivid eyeliner. I will do better next time. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. This is my completed pumpkin festival bartending look. I want to thank you all for joining me today. I post new videos every Monday and Friday. I am super excited for pumpkin season, of course, and I've been really enjoying sharing that excitement with you guys via this channel. I am going to include down below a nice dairy-free pumpkin spice martini recipe for you guys, and I am going to go bartend. In the future, I will post a video discussing bartending and the pros and cons and my feelings about the career choice of mixology. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! You guys, my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are all aging_ethically. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thank you so much. Bye.